guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to do some Gel-X nails. The first step is to prep and prime your natural nails and drill the inside of the nail tip. And then you're going to want to go in with your Aprez Extend Gel, apply one layer to the tip and a little bit at the bottom, and then apply it to the natural nail at a 45-degree angle, and then flash cure for 15 seconds. If you get any air bubbles in the nail or you see that you haven't applied enough glue, just wipe it off and start again, because if not, then in 2 weeks your nails will probably lift off from it not being properly put on. So sealing the cuticle is by far one of the most important steps in order to have a good retention rate for your Gel-X. Sealing the cuticle means you're taking a nail drill and blending in the nail tip with the base of your natural nail so that it can be like a seamless flush. And what I mean when I say a seamless flush is that the base of the nail tip and your natural nail are seamlessly blended in together. As you can see on the left, it is flush, and on the right, it is not. You want it to be a perfect blend. This is also what keeps hair from getting caught under the nail and lifting. I always like to buff the surface so that the nail polish can stick to it perfectly. And now you want to go in with the whatever color chrome you're using. You want to go in with a coordinating color of nail polish so that it kind of just looks better against it. You can also go in with black if you want to. A lot of people use black nail polish as the base of the chrome, but it makes it look like a black undertone, which I did not want. So if you want it to just look like the perfect color of the chrome, use a corresponding gel polish color. I'm adding on a clear top coat to seal in the chrome, so when I add the designs on top, it doesn't mess up what I already put down. For the 3D chrome nail art, I'm using this IBD Gel Clear Hard Gel. And you can use any kind of hard gel you want, but I'm just using clear because I didn't want any color behind it. And you want to flash cure it in between each time you add the design, and I'm just putting the chrome powder on top, and it should not stick to the base. Then you want to repeat that step for every nail. You want to draw on with the clear builder gel and then cure it, put the chrome on top, and then just dust away all the excess chrome on the nail. So now that the nail art is done, you want to go in with a clear top coat and then cure that, and then I'm going in with a cuticle oil, and now the nails are complete. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you in any way, then make sure to subscribe to see more content.